Antay din siya dito. Thank you. Make a shout out, information word. Thank you for supporting me. My live silent. Ito din. Make a shout out, Ajiri Tube. Thank you for coming for my LS. But I give you already moderator. Maybe one day you will pass my live. You have already. You'll become blue your name. Nandito rin pala, nakaano din si nakasupport din si Information Word. Mega shout out to you, Information Word. Thank you for always coming back for my LS. At mega shout out sis Shirley MA Vlog, tamsak. Maraming salamat sis sa pagtamsak sa aking LS. At mega shout out, but I don't know how to read this one because I don't know this one or Chinese or Korean or the name. But I give you already as a moderator. Maybe one day you're passing my LS. You'll become blue your name. Thank you very much. And big shout sa'yo, Kabsat, sa Lidumay Vlog, Tamsak host. Big shout out everyone from Salidumay Vlog. Maraming salamat, Kabsat, sa pagtamsak. Maraming salamat. At make a shout out, it's me, Ashing. Thank you for coming for my LS. At make a shout out, Alex Duma. I give you already as a moderator. Maybe one day you will pass to my LS. Thank you so much. It's me, Ashing. Dan tamsak po. Hashtag yun. Hashtag Eunice Alado po. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's me, Ashong, for supporting me in my LS. At mega shout out, Rose Gaming channel. Dan tamsak po sis Rosmiro Vlog po to. Oo. Maraming salamat sis sa pagtamsak. And mega shout out Suro NGN SH Vlog. 9 like done. Thank you. I give you already as a moderator. Maybe one day you will pass to my LS. Your name is blue. Thank you so much for your support. At mega shout out sis Angel Kinunis. Thank you, love. Maraming salamat sa maraming heart. At mega shout out Shirley ME Vlog. Bumalik ka pa rin. Maraming salamat. At mega shout out Darak Stone Tamsak hashtag 11 Yahoo. Maraming salamat Idol Darak Stone. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtamsak sa aking LS. At mega shout out sis Nova Vizcayano channel. Mega shout out to you sis. Mega shout out. Maraming salamat sa pagtamsak sa aking LS sis Nova Vizcayano. Mega shout out sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong support. At mag-out na ako. Sign out na ako. At bibisitahin ko na lang kayo, hindi man sa ngayon. O sa ngayon man, may ma-respakan ako ng 2 o 1 at puntahan ko kayo din sa mga videos ninyo. Kung hindi ko kayo mapuntahan sa mga live ninyo, pero huwag naman ngayon. Alam ko na busy na ang lahat. Kaya ako nilalagay ko lang dito para naman makabawi sa aking WH ay nagiging wala. Kulang na, kinakain na. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong suporta at ito na. Magpakita lang saglit ang aking buhok ay paggising ko hindi na ako nagsuklay at yan, nagdamit na ako. Makikita ang aking muscle na ang laking muscle na yan. At thank you for your support mga ka-viewers. Bye-bye!